Want to schedule your Instagram post in advance? This video shows you how in under 1 minute. First, you will need to open the Instagram app and start creating a post, just like you normally would. I need to say something. Scheduled posts are available only for creator and business accounts. You need to switch your account to this type if you do not see the schedule post feature. After you have finished editing your photo or video and have written your caption, proceed to the final screen. On this final screen before you share, you must scroll down and tap on the More Options option. Inside the Advanced Settings menu, you will find the Schedule This Post option, which you need to toggle on. You can then choose the exact date and time in the future that you would like your post to be published. After setting your desired time, go back to the previous screen and then tap the Schedule button to confirm it. Subscribe for more short and concise videos that get you what you need to know in under 1 minute.